Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. Today we are making this really delicious Vitamix Mango Sorbet, and of course you can make it in any other type of high-speed blender as well. And we're starting off with a half of a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a fourth of a cup of maple syrup, and then 3 cups of frozen mango chunks. And if you wanted to, you could even substitute the mango with frozen strawberries, and then you're just gonna blend it on high. And it's really helpful if you have a tamper so you can help push the mango pieces into the blade. And you really only have to blend it for about 30 to 45 seconds and you'll get this beautiful frozen puree. And you can serve this right out of the blender, or if you wanted to make this recipe a little bit thicker, you can transfer it to a freezer safe container and then freeze it for about 30 minutes or up to several hours before you serve it. And of course, this recipe is completely dairy-free and vegan, so it's perfect for anybody who has dairy allergies or any other kinds of sensitivities. With just 3 ingredients, I mean, this recipe is almost perfect for everybody. And I hope that you love this recipe for a Vitamix Mango Sorbet, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.